Dive into a world where efficiency meets innovation with FR Solutions, the largest U.S. service provider and a champion-level services delivery partner for Nutanix. Our team comprises of highly skilled resources that match, and often exceed, the competence of Nutanix internal resources. From Nutanix product installations to maintenance and migrations, including those from VMware to Nutanix, we've got you covered. We're here to help you architect your hybrid cloud solution, providing the skilled resources you need at the best rates minus the hassle. Our professional services are available either through Nutanix, any reseller, or for the best rates and return on investment, you can deal directly with us. Our team boasts the highest customer service satisfaction ratings and all are Nutanix certified. Plus, we offer creative IT staffing solutions, expert mainframe services, and expedited VMware to Nutanix migrations. To learn more and have one of our staffing solutions experts contact you within 24 hours, visit FRSolutionsCorp.com and click the Contact Us button today. Your journey to a more efficient, innovative future starts now.